A number line is a good tool. Find the bigger number, G, you're smart. Mark it clearly, that's how you start.
The second number tells how far to hop. Count on forward, then you stop.
Start with the big one, that's the key. Then hop ahead so easily. Use the number line to jump along. Check your work so you don't get it wrong. Say you got 3 frogs and you wanna add 5. 5 is bigger, so mark it on the line. Hop 3 times 6, 7, 8. We found the answer. Isn't learning great? Start with the big one, that's the key. Then hop ahead so easily. Use the number line to jump along. Check your work so you don't get it wrong.
6 little bunnies and you find 4 more. Circle the bigger number like you did before. No need to start with the smaller guy. The big one's faster, give it a try.
We mark the 6 and then we take 4 hops.
10 is the answer, give yourself some props.
Start with the big one, that's the key. Then hop ahead so easily. Use the number line to jump along. Check your work so you don't get it wrong.
So grab your pencil and use what you were taught. Draw a number line and then mark your spot.
Start with a big number, count from there. Take your hops, know the answer's near.
The second